one or the other, we know that. You're recording, Nathan?
Bye, guys.
Bye. Yeah, bye. We're going.
Bye. Bye.
Guys, is the camera going?
Yes. I feel hairy legs. we got the three biggest people in this. You're getting up. Technically, we're missing one big guy. You're getting slingshot right out of this buggy. Grab the handle. I got the handles down here. Does that count?
Oh, that feels interesting. And I'm
now I gotta wait for a bit.
Woo!
3.
Oh! No, don't stand. Don't stand. Don't do it. No.
We're gonna die if you stand. I am not going to die.
No. Don't even do it, Michael.
Oh, we're gonna knock out of here. Oh my God! We are gonna die if you stand. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. Oh my crap! Hey, I just gave birth! I just gave birth. Stroke my hymen! God. Oh God. Woo!
Oh, dude!
So much blue! Drop people on your ass!
Drop! Drop!
I don't like this! I can't!
Watch out!
I live!
I live!
That was kind of awesome. Water's working. I would like to do that again.
Hey, last time it wasn't working.
No! No! I'm abandoning! Abandon ship! Abandon ship!
Abandoned ship! Abandoned ship!
Oh, it's kind of okay. Do we have to get out? No. Yes! No! Insult to injury! When do we have to get out? Over there. That was kind of fun. I like that. That's my first real slide I've ever done.